Alright, so welcome to this video. Today we'll be talking about some certain things you need to take note of while creating your video content and also before uploading on YouTube, right? So if this is the first time you are coming to my YouTube channel, please, you're highly welcome. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and more importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Alright? Okay, so let's get into it now. You see, one of the things that will make your potential subscribers or your audience or current subscribers continually stay on your YouTube channel is when your videos are always engaging, irresistible, right? What do I mean by engaging and irresistible? You see, the first 10 to 15 minutes of a video must be very catchy, engaging, that which we call the hook, right? Must be engaging, must be catchy. So you do not just create a video from beginning to the end without anything that will entice. It's just more or less like you're seducing your audience or your viewers to stay to your channel, right? It's very important. So while you create your video, you edit your video, or whatsoever you do with your video, make sure that the first 10-15 seconds of your video is catchy. Well, maybe this might be the reason why you hardly get views on your video, because people just scroll and pass by. Okay, now if you check the first video on this my channel, right, you'll discover that I implemented what I've just told you now, the hook. If you see that video from 10 to 15 seconds, okay, let's just watch the video again now. Hi there. So one of the things new YouTubers, small YouTubers struggle with on YouTube is this issue of being consistent or trying to find the balance on which niche they should do on YouTube, right? Because sometimes some of them feel like, oh, I'm being stuck on just below 100 subscribers. I'm yet to reach my 4,000 watch hours. I'm confused. I see a lot of persons making it on YouTube. They do this niche, they're into that, they're into this and that, but just currently stuck here. All right, so one thing you need to understand now, what do you notice? The first 10-15 seconds, got your attention. Maybe you fell into that category. Maybe that's your current state. You understand, and that's what made you to watch more. That video has gotten to over close to 50 views so far, just uploaded yesterday. All right, so you can see the power of hook. That should be what you implement on your video. So if you don't know how to go about editing videos with especially CapCut, which is one of the easiest video editing tool, please let me know via the comment section. Now let's get to it. When it comes to uploading on YouTube, you need to be very, very careful. It's not just clicking the plus logo when you want to upload on your mobile, your YouTube studio using your smartphone, or on the desktop version where you see create and just click on create and upload the video. No, there are some certain things you need to take note of before uploading that video, and even during uploading the video. Now, before uploading the video, you've heard of it, or you might be new and you might not know what it is, and that is your thumbnail and your title. Your thumbnail and your title. These two things are very, very important. Your thumbnail and your title, these are the things that your subscribers, or these are the things that new viewers will get attracted to before they even click on your video. So if your thumbnail is not catchy, when I talk about thumbnail, that's cover image on your video. When you click on it, you see a cover first before you click on the video. That's what I call thumbnail, right? It must be catchy, it must be appealing as well. And also your title, your YouTube title. So if you don't know, yes, fine, you can think of something very, very nice, but there are tools that shows that yes, this your title can go well. I'm going to show you right away now how I do these things. From thumbnail, I use Canva in editing my thumbnails or designing my thumbnails, and also for my YouTube titles, I use AI ChatGPT, all right, to give me suggestions of titles that will rank. So you need to know this thing, not just posting, because there are so many videos on the internet. For your videos to rank properly, that means you have already embedded the right keywords on your YouTube title, right? And also your thumbnail is very, very catchy. So you need to take note of this thing. Now, look at how I generate my YouTube titles. All right, so let's get into it now. All right, so just go to chatgpt.com. Okay, now I want to enter a prompt. Let's take, for instance, I've just finished creating and editing my video. My video is all about food. I just finished cooking. doing a video on fried rice. Right now, I want to tell AI to suggest the best SEO, that's search engine optimization, right? Ranking keywords that when people will be searching for how to cook fried rice, my video will pop out on YouTube, right? Now you can apply this to any of your niche. So what will I do? I will just enter this space bar and just start typing. Look at what I have here already. Hi ChatGPT, you have to greet ChatGPT. I'm just kidding. I just created a video on how to cook fried rice. You understand? Now, can you please suggest SEO based ranking titles that will attract views to my video? So that's it, right? Now you can even go for that. So, okay, I want 3 of them, then pick the best, but I just want us to just do it like that. Then you can pick the best, right? So I click on enter. What can you see? So that's how some fried rice videos are super popular. So choosing the right SEO optimized title can make a big difference. Here are several categories of high performing YouTube titles you can try, each crafted with SEO intent and click happy. So look at it. It's good you always make your YouTube title short and catchy. Look at number 1, how to make the perfect fried rice, easy made homemade recipe. Look at number 2, fried rice recipe that tastes better than takeout. Can you see? That one looks very catchy. You understand? The secret to perfect fried rice every time. So look at it. Look at keyword focus title. Easy fried recipe, rice recipe step by step. Fried best rice for beginners. So you can see them, right? You can see them. Now, so many. Now, I will now say for the audience on Ajagos, what's your best? I will tell ChatGPT, what's your best pick? Just one, right? So look at it. Say if I had to pick just one SEO strong clickable title, I'll go with fried rice recipe that tastes. You see, initially I said I like that one. I didn't even see what was even coming up already. So can you see fried rice recipe that tastes better than takeout? So you go ahead, you take note of this YouTube title, right? Now, sometimes some persons, whenever they do designs on Canva or they do their thumbnail, right? They usually used to just copy their title as it is like this, and that's how they paste it on their thumbnail. No, you don't do that. All right, let your thumbnail be something very different but relatable. My thumbnail now, right? That's the text on your picture, not the title. Now we've gotten this title already as fried rice recipe that tastes better than takeout. We've gotten that already. Now your thumbnail, I can tell ChatGPT to suggest a thumbnail text. That is the text you will put under your thumbnail picture. Right? Let me ask the ChatGPT. Suggest a thumbnail title. Can you see? So all my videos, those are my videos you'll be seeing. This is the trick. You understand? Look at it. Look at better than takeout. You will cook this every week. Can you see 15-minute fried rice? By the time you use all these short thumbnail options, right? Now put one catchy fried rice picture, bam, like this. See, people will rush to your channel, trust me. All right, so this the trick you can go about in utilizing SEO based YouTube title. I hope this helps. So try it and let's know further. Yeah. So try out all these tips, try out all these strategies, and let me know if it works for you and if you see some progress and traction, right? So don't forget to subscribe once again, and also turn on the notification bell, because the next video you'll be seeing will be how to increase or get views on your video using some simple tricks. All right, take care.